Hey there, science enthusiasts. Do you know that the universe hasn't always existed? That's right. The cosmos we see today had a beginning, a mind-blowing origin story called the Big Bang. With this context, today's topic is Big Bang Theory vs. steady-state theory. It means universe has not always existed. Buckle up, because we're diving into the fascinating tale of how everything began. For centuries, humans believed that the universe was eternal, unchanging, and static. Philosophers like Aristotle and even early scientists thought that the cosmos had always existed as it is. However, groundbreaking discoveries in the 20th century completely changed this view. The idea that the universe had a beginning and is continuously evolving has become one of the greatest achievements of modern science. The static universe belief. In 1687, Isaac Newton's laws of gravity supported the idea of a static universe. Newton described a universe that was infinite, uniform, and unchanging. This belief remained largely unchallenged until Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity in 1915. Einstein's equations suggested that the universe could not be static. It had to either expand or contract. At first, Einstein himself was uncomfortable with this idea and introduced a cosmological constant to force the universe to remain static, challenging the static universe, the expanding universe. In 1922, Russian physicist Alexander Friedmann used Einstein's equations to prove mathematically that the universe was not static. Instead, it was either expanding or contracting. Around the same time, Georges Lemaitre, a Belgian priest and physicist, proposed that the universe had a beginning, a primeval atom, or a single point from which everything expanded. This idea laid the foundation for what we now call the Big Bang Theory. The decisive breakthrough came in 1929 when American astronomer Edwin Hubble observed that distant galaxies are moving away from us. This phenomenon, known as the redshift, demonstrated that the universe is expanding. Hubble's discovery provided strong evidence that the universe had a beginning. The Big Bang Theory, evidence of a beginning. In 1948, physicist George Gamow predicted that if the universe began with a Big Bang, it must have left behind some form of radiation. This radiation, known as the cosmic microwave background, CMB, would serve as a fossil of the early universe. In 1965, scientists Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson accidentally discovered the CMB while working on a radio antenna. This faint microwave radiation, uniform across the sky, matched Gamow's predictions and became undeniable evidence for the Big Bang. Later, in 1989, NASA's COBE satellite, led by George Smoot, confirmed the CMB's precise measurements, further solidifying the Big Bang Theory. These discoveries earned Penzias and Wilson the Nobel Prize, as the CMB provided irrefutable proof that the universe had a hot, dense origin. The fall of the steady-state theory. Until the 1960s, some scientists still supported the steady-state theory, which suggested the universe has no beginning and is constantly creating new matter to maintain its density as it expands. However, the discovery of the CMB and other evidence forced the scientific community to abandon this idea. The Big Bang Theory became the accepted model, proving that the universe had a definite starting point. Steady-state theory was eventually refuted by these several key pieces of scientific evidence. 1. Discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB. 2. Redshift and Hubble's law. 3. Abundance of light elements, nucleosynthesis. 4. Quasars and distant galaxies. The combined weight of these observations, particularly the CMB discovery, made the steady-state theory untenable. The Big Bang Theory is now the leading cosmological model for explaining the origin of the universe. Now, Big Bang Theory is a fact. It means the universe is not always existed. It's a created. In his book, The Mysterious Universe, Sir James Jeans argues for the existence of a cosmic mind. He explains that the universe has a precise mathematical structure, which indicates the presence of an intelligent designer or thinker. He further states that the universe is designed in such a way that it cannot be fully explained by material causes or mere physical representations. For example, if someone claims that iron and petrol came together on their own to form a car, it would be impossible to believe. The existence of a car clearly proves the involvement of an engineering mind. Similarly, the intricate design of the universe points to a creative intelligence behind it. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the cosmos together.